Let's wrap up this chapter by making something actually happen when the user clicks the Submit button. When a user submits a form, an event is triggered. We can use this event to perform an action, like showing a message. So let's add onSubmit attribute to our form. The onSubmit event fires when the form is submitted. And we will write a simple JavaScript function to handle this event. First, add a script tag inside the head section of your HTML file. The script tag allows you to write JavaScript inside your HTML file. Now, let's write a simple function that will handle form submission. Const onSubmit equals event and then an arrow and open curly brackets. We just declared a function that will run when the form is submitted. Now, event.preventDefault parentheses stops the page from refreshing when the form is submitted, because normally when you submit a form, the browser reloads the page by default. Now let's retrieve the user's name from the form. Const name equals event.target, which refers to the form that was submitted. And then .name selects the input field with the name name, so this field right here. And then .value retrieves the text that the user typed into the input field. Next, let's show an alert with the user's name. Alert, an open parentheses, and inside double quotes write "Thank you for submitting the form," comma, and then plus name, plus exclamation point inside the double quotes. Alert is a built-in browser JavaScript function that displays a pop-up message in the browser. Now, we need to tell HTML to use that function when user hits submit. So onSubmit will be equal to onSubmit, and then let's pass the event. Now, when we fill the form and then press submit, the alert will appear. Udemy restricts free tutorials to 2 hours, so we don't have time to cover JavaScript in depth. But if you want to learn JavaScript step by step, check out my tutorial JavaScript Fundamentals for Beginners here on Udemy. You will find link in this lesson resources.